RC series circuit. In RC series circuit, series combination of resistor and capacitor are connected across a AC supply as shown in figure 1. R is the resistance of resistor in ohm and C is the capacitance of capacitor in Faraday. Capital V is the RMS value of supply voltage and capital I is the RMS value of current through the series combination of resistor and capacitor. Instantaneous value of supply voltage is given by V is equal to Vm sin omega t. VR is the voltage across resistor and Vc is the voltage across capacitor. Both are the RMS value of voltage. Now voltage across resistor VR is given by product of current and resistor, and voltage across capacitor Vc is given by product of current and capacitive reactance Xc. Now we draw a phasor diagram for RC series circuit. For that we take current I as a reference. Now voltage across resistor and current through resistor both are in phase. Phase difference between voltage and current is 0. So VR is in phase with current I. Angle between VR and I is 0. This vector OA represents the voltage across resistor VR. And phase difference between voltage across capacitor and current through capacitor is 90 degree, and current lead the voltage by an angle 90 degree, or in other word voltage lag the current by an angle 90 degree. So voltage across capacitor Vc lag the current by an angle 90 degree. Vector OB represent the voltage across capacitor Vc. Now vector addition of VR and Vc will give the supply voltage V. So vector addition of VR and Vc, OC vector will give the supply voltage V. Now in rectangle OACB, OB is equal to AC. Therefore, AC is equal to VC. Now, in triangle OAC, angle OAC is 90 degree. Therefore, by using Pythagoras law, we can write that V square is equal to VR square plus VC square. Therefore, V square is equal to I square R square plus I square Xc square, because VR is equal to IR and Vc is equal to IXc. Therefore, V square is equal to I square into R square plus Xc square. Therefore, V is equal to I into square root R square plus Xc square. Voltage V is equal to I into Z, where Z is equal to square root R square plus Xc square is called the impedance of the circuit and its unit is ohm. Now in phasor diagram, let angle AOC is phi. Therefore, tan phi is equal to AC divided by OA, or it is equal to Vc divided by VR. Therefore, tan phi is equal to Vc divided by VR, or it is equal to Ixc divided by IR. Therefore, tan phi is equal to Xc divided by R. Therefore, phi is equal to tan inverse Xc divided by R. Angle between supply voltage V and current I is phi, and current lead the voltage, and value of phi is between 0 to 90 degree. So in RC series circuit, current lead the voltage by an angle between 0 to 90 degree. So instantaneous value of current is given by I is equal to Im sine omega t plus phi, where Im is equal to Vm divided by Z. Vm is the maximum value of voltage and Z is the impedance of the circuit. It is equal to square root R square plus X square. Waveform of alternating voltage and current is shown in figure 2. Here we can see that alternating current I lead the voltage by an angle phi. Instantaneous power P is the product of instantaneous voltage and instantaneous current. So it is equal to Vm sine omega t into Im sine omega t plus phi, because V is equal to Vm sine omega t and I is equal to Im sine omega t plus phi. Therefore, power P is equal to Vm Im sine omega t into sine omega t plus phi. Now multiply this equation by 2 and divide by 2. We get instantaneous power P is equal to Vm Im by 2 into cos phi minus cos 2 omega t plus phi. Here we use the formula minus 2 times sin alpha sin beta is equal to cos alpha plus beta minus cos alpha minus beta. Therefore, instantaneous power P is equal to Vm Im by 2 cos phi minus Vm Im by 2 cos 2 omega t plus phi. This power consists of two parts. First part, Vm Im by 2 cos phi is the constant and it contributes to real power. Second part, Vm Im by 2 cos 2 omega t plus phi is the pulsating part and it does not contribute to actual power since its average value over a one complex cycle is 0. Hence, average power consumed in RC series circuit is given by Vm Im by 2 cos phi, because average value of second part is 0. So average power is equal to Vm by root 2 Im by root 2 into cos phi. Therefore, average power P is equal to Vi cos phi. So average power consumed in RC series circuit is given by Vi cos phi. Waveform of power is shown in figure 3. So this is about the RC series circuit. In RC series circuit, current lead the voltage by an angle between 0 to 90 degree and average power consumed in RC series circuit is given by Vi cos phi.